If you are welcoming a puppy into your house, you want to learn about a few of the things we offer. So we do offer puppy parent kind of prep conversations, and those are, we can either send you a PowerPoint you can look at and learn more about potty training and getting your dog ready, or we can have a phone call and we can talk you through just a quick 15-minute phone call, give you some setup for success. We also offer our puppy play dates. These are specific social sessions that we offer. We split our classroom into multiple play yards, which allows us to separate the puppies based on their size, confidence, and their age. So this allows us to have them have appropriate interactions. We teach the owners how to interact and how to supervise the play, how to coach their dogs through it. Puppies don't tend to teach other puppies manners because they're all learning as they go. So it's our job as the humans to interrupt and help support them so that they can learn better and keep their friends. So we're going to introduce them to things like things to jump over, things to climb over, things to walk over. We're also going to introduce them to things like nail clippers and grooming equipment so that we can get them more comfortable with the things that they may need to do later in life. There's also going to be plenty of people and other puppies, so they're going to get exposure in a safe and controlled way. We do ask that any puppies that are coming are up to date for their age, for their vaccines. We understand that they will not be completed with their vaccines during this puppy play date time of their lives, but we do need them to be up to date for their age. We also need them to all be healthy. So anybody with coughing, any diarrhea, any concerns, they're going to need to stay home and skip until a vet clears them to have social interactions. We do ask that every puppy parent and every attendee as they're coming through steps into a foot bath, which has a parvicide and a viricide in it, which is going to help keep outside germs outside and allow us to have a safe and healthy environment. It's not something that your puppies need to step in, but we walk outside with our shoes and we need to clean those off before we enter the space. We do also ask that all puppies that are not completely vaccinated are carried from the car into the building to help make sure that they're staying healthy while they're getting ready to become a full-fledged puppy citizen. So in this kind of environment, we're going to expect everybody to have food, everybody to be encouraging puppies to keep all 4 feet on the floor, working on their mouthing, working on barking, all of the things that we're working on at home. We're just going to do it in a community because it takes a village. And this way we can help our dogs be more supported and be more comfortable for what their future is going to hold. In addition to our puppy play date, we also offer our puppy preschool. This is a manners class for dogs under 6 months. We recommend not starting your puppy preschool journey until your puppy's closer to the 10 and 12 week mark, as most puppies under 10 and 12 weeks are just going to sleep. They're not ready for the learning environment, and the puppy play dates, socialization time is going to meet their needs sufficiently. In our puppy preschool class, we're going to learn our regular things. We're going to learn sit, we're going to learn down, we're going to learn come, we're going to learn touch, which is a target behavior where we ask them to touch their nose to our hand. We're also going to teach them to come when called. We're going to work on leave it. We're going to work on drop it. We're going to work on getting them ready for things like medical visits and grooming handling. And we're also going to work on greeting people while keeping all 4 feet on the floor. So we are going to have a wide number of puppies in those puppy preschool classes. There's going to be different ages and stages as well as sizes. We are going to teach the puppies how to greet other dogs, but the class puppy preschool is not focused on dog-dog interactions. That's why we have our puppy play dates as a separate time frame so that puppies can have their playtime needs met. If you are enrolled in puppy preschool, puppy play dates are something that you get in addition to. If you're not enrolled in puppy preschool and you want to do the training at home, that's totally fine. It's just $10 to come to our puppy play date, which we think is a pretty decent price. So if you're interested and if you have more questions about puppy play date or you're curious about why we're offering these things, please feel free to email dogtraining@napahumane.org. You can register for our puppy play dates and puppy preschool online at napahumane.org.